Hello, little learners. Today's story is about a Viking boy and his friend. A long, long time ago, there was a tiny Viking village. It was called Berk. It was built in a very special place, right next to huge, tall mountains and a big, splashy sea. Even though Berk was a beautiful place, life there was not always calm or easy. The village of Berk was always fighting to stay safe from dragons, the biggest and scariest creatures that flew in the sky. These weren't any ordinary dragons. These were special dragons from old stories. Their skin was as strong as metal, and their breath was as hot as fire from a volcano. Sometimes, big dragons flew down from the sky with their sharp claws, ready to grab the villagers' sheep. The villagers, young and old, ran through the streets holding their weapons. They tried their best to fight bravely, but the enemies were too strong, and they could not win. In the middle of all this trouble, there was a boy named Hiccup. Hiccup was different from the other Vikings. Hiccup looked like he should be in a classroom, not fighting dragons. But even though he seemed small and quiet, he was very brave. Even though Hiccup was not a good fighter, he wanted to show everyone that he could be brave and catch dragons too. One day, as the sun went down and made long shadows in the village, Hiccup saw his chance. From atop his father's house, he spotted a dragon unlike any he had ever seen before. This was no ordinary dragon. This was a night fury, the fastest and most dangerous dragon of all. Without waiting, Hiccup grabbed his big, strange crossbow that he had made and ran quickly down the ladder. Hiccup's invention was big and hard to use, but he never gave up. The net flew through the air, spinning in the wind. For a moment, everything was very quiet. Then the dragon shouted loudly and fell to the ground in the forest below. Hiccup ran into the forest quickly. Hiccup saw the dragon. It was lying on the ground, its big wings bent and broken. Its tail was broken, and its eyes, which used to look strong, now looked sad and hurt. Hiccup put down his knife, his hand shaking. The dragon looked at him with thankful, trusting eyes. And in that moment, Hiccup knew he had made the right decision. Day after day, Hiccup returned to the forest, bringing food for the dragon. Slowly but surely, he came closer to the hurt dragon, talking to it gently to make it feel safe. The dragon, sensing Hiccup's kindness, calmed down. It allowed Hiccup to come closer and eventually even let him touch its snout. Hiccup named the dragon Toothless. They became best friends and promised to always help each other. With Hiccup's help, Toothless slowly regained his strength. Hiccup made a new tail for Toothless. Together, they flew high in the sky, above the clouds, feeling the wind as they soared like real dragons. Everyone in the village heard about Hiccup's brave deeds, and soon the other Vikings went into the forest to see the dragon themselves. To everyone's surprise, the scary dragon that had frightened their village for many years was now standing quietly next to a young Viking, lowering its head like it was being friendly. At the meantime, the scary dragon that had frightened the Vikings for many years came back, looking for revenge. This dragon was not like any other. It was the biggest and scariest dragon anyone had ever seen. Everything looked broken and sad. Just when it seemed there was no hope, Hiccup and Toothless came flying in to save the day. They flew quickly through the fire and smoke. You could see their shapes glowing against the bright flames as they bravely fought the huge dragon. The battle went on for a long time, with both sides fighting bravely. But at last, Toothless won and stood tall as the hero. When Hiccup and Toothless came back to the village, everyone clapped, cheered, and celebrated happily. At that moment, Hiccup understood that nothing could ever break their friendship. Together, he and Toothless had not only become best friends, but also made their world safe and happy. From that day on, dragons and Vikings lived happily together in Berk. The village was busy and full of joy. So kids, this is how friends made. Hope you liked the video and subscribe for more videos.